she screams again. Roar at the door, my mind can't take much more. But I could never drown. They wanna get my They wanna get my gold on the ceiling. I ain't blind, it's just a matter of time before they stealing. It's alright, ain't no blood in my eye. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Gold on the Ceiling by the Black Keys. We're going to learn it in the original key on a high string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, we have a bunch of parts in the song. We start with the intro, of course. I'm coming a little bit closer to show you the little tap. Alright, let me first play it, then I'll explain. Okay, so we start with pointing finger on the 3rd fret of the E string and the pinky on the 5th fret of the A string. And I'm playing E, A, E. Then we slide the whole shape down, right? Okay, and then A, E. Then the A, 5th fret, getting it back to the 3rd fret. Okay, and then we do something very similar, but we are grabbing here the 2nd fret of the C string and the 5th fret of the E string. We slide again like this, C string open, then 5th to 3rd. And here in the original recording there are a little bit more tones, but we don't have them on the ukulele, so I just play B flat, sliding to C, right? So let's try it a little bit slower. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright, and after that we basically, for 4 bars, we just keep G, but also we can hear a little bit of G7 at some point. So I'm grabbing G7 and the pinky goes here on the 3rd fret to grab the G, and sometimes we just remove it and get it back. And I'm doing G, 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 G7, G, 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 G7, G, 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 G7, G, G, G. Alright, so. And we start the main part, for which basically we're just playing G to F to C, back to G. But also, let's see the tap for the guitar, which is, I think, the coolest thing of the whole song. So, I first play it again, and then I'll explain it. Alright, so I'm playing G, down, chuck up, and then on the E string I'm doing 3, 1, then C string 2nd fret, and grabbing the F, again on the E string 3, 1, C string 2nd fret, grabbing the C chord, and here I do C string 2nd fret, E string 1st fret, again C string 2nd fret, and then G, avoiding here the A string, G, G, and here for a little bit we're actually playing G minor, right? Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-da-dum, 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 bum, ba-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. Without singing. Alright, and after that we played a chorus for which again we're holding the same chords, the G to F to C to G, but I'm not doing this little tap that I showed you while playing the verse. Actually, I'm very slightly playing just the C and E string, like this. Down at the waves, she screams again. Roar at the door, my mind can't take much more. Right? And after that we have the post-verse part, for which we play F to C to G, right? And I'm basically just doing one down strum on these chords. I will never drown. And then the pre-chorus. They wanna get mine. They wanna get mine. Alright, so what's that? I'm playing F, 2 up strums and trying to avoid the A string. Right? Then C. On C, I'm playing the A string. And here, G, G, F, G. Alright, a little bit quicker. And again, we're trying to avoid the A string. Of course, sometimes I'm playing it, but trying just to avoid it. And then F, C, F, G. Alright, so basically I'm playing the A string only on the C chord here in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. They wanna get mine. They wanna get mine. Alright. And after that we go to the chorus, for which we are playing the main part again. But I'm trying to do the tap here while singing, which is a little bit challenging. If it's too challenging for you, maybe you can just strum the chords. Go on the ceiling, down, I ain't back. It's just a matter of time before you steal it. Ain't no blood in my eyes. Alright, but I think it sounds a little bit better if you can do the tap in it. Go on the ceiling, I ain't blind. It's just a matter of time before you steal it. Ain't no lie, ain't no blood in my eye. And this sums up my tutorial for Go on the Ceiling. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope it was helpful for you. It will be easier if you have the printable and interactive tabs. You can get access to them in the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.